Okay, so in the next couple hours, we're going to learn something pretty big. All eyes are on crypto right now. And what's going to happen? We're going to cover that in this video. As always, thanks for your support watching my channel, my videos. I greatly appreciate you. If you're new to me, hit that subscribe button below. Please drop a like. Tell me your thoughts on what I'm about to talk to you about. So we've all been following inflation. We all know inflation's in here. It's been here for a year and a half. I'm frankly tired of talking about it. I wish there was other narratives we could talk about, but it is the key centerpiece and narrative for all of crypto right now. And all eyes are on an event that happens approximately about, let's see, 2.5 hours from now. It is the FOMC, Federal Reserve meeting. And the big question is the Federal Reserve finally going to not raise the interest rate, the base interest rate? Okay. And the leading indicators is that they are going to skip and actually not raise the interest rate. They've raised interest rate now 11 times. It's crazy. So we got the CPI report yesterday. It came in below expectation. We were expecting 4.1%. We got 4%. So that's the current, inflation rate is 4%. And we want to get it to 2%. And it was a drop from 4.9 to 4 from the previous month. So that's cool. That's good to know. Okay, so with all that said, here's what's going to happen. So if we get the no action interest rate hike, meaning they don't raise the interest rate, you can expect crypto to move dramatically. You can expect crypto stocks to move dramatically because this is going to be, hailed as good news. This is going to be viewed as a positive indicator that we're getting back to somewhat normal, normal times, if you will. I know we still got the SEC, Coinbase, Binance. We still got all that going on. That's another narrative now that's here. But right now, all eyes are on what's going to happen in about 2.5 hours when the chairman of the Federal Reserve, Chairman Powell, what's he going to do, not going to do? What are they going to do? Are they going to not raise the interest rate? If they do not raise it, you can expect a pretty nice little bull run to kick off in crypto as stocks as well. So stay tuned and we will see how all this plays out. Okay. So with that said, thanks. Fun stuff. I'll see you.